Mailchimp charges you for every email you send. Listmonk gives you the same power for the cost of a server. Listmonk is a self-hosted mailing list manager written in Go with PostgreSQL. 16,000 GitHub stars confirm its utility. The repository is github.com/listmonk/listmonk. The code is open source. The license is permissive. You deploy Listmonk with one command. Docker compose upd, that is it. A single YAML file defines the two services, the Go binary and the PostgreSQL database. You pull the images, you run the containers, you have a working instance in under 60 seconds, no configuration wizard, no API keys from a third party, the application listens on port 9000, you open a browser, the login screen appears, default credentials are admin Listmonk, change them immediately, Listmonk handles millions of subscribers. Go compiles to a single binary with no runtime dependencies. Memory usage stays below 50 megabytes for typical loads. PostgreSQL provides robust querying and indexing. Every subscriber record lives in a relational table. You can segment audiences with SQL. Condition based on custom attributes. Condition based on open rates. Condition based on link clicks. The segmentation engine is a select statement. You write the where clause. Listmonk executes it. Campaigns support HTML templates. You write pure HTML with placeholders, no drag and drop editor, no visual builder. You control every pixel. Templates live as plain files on disk. You upload them through the dashboard. Listmonk injects subscriber data at send time. Personalization uses Go template syntax. Name becomes the subscriber's name. This is fast. This is predictable. Sending occurs through SMTP relay. You configure your own SMTP server. Any provider works. Amazon SCS, SendGrid, Mailgun. Listmonk does not send mail directly. It delegates delivery to Relay. You pay for outgoing volume at wholesale rates. $30 per month at SendGrid delivers 100,000 emails. Mailchimp charges $250 for the same volume. The difference is 88%. Listmonk supports double opt-in by default. New subscribers receive a confirmation email. They click a link, their status changes from unconfirmed to confirmed. You can disable double opt-in. You can also enable single opt-in. Control is yours. Import subscribers from CSV, export subscribers to CSV, delete duplicates, merge fields. The operations are batch. The database handles atomic updates. Listmonk includes a basic REST API. You create subscribers programmatically. You trigger campaigns. You fetch statistics. The API is documented with Swagger. You open Swagger in the browser, the endpoints are visible, you test them directly, the dashboard shows real-time metrics. Open rates, click rates, bounce rates, unsubscribe rates, data updates every few seconds, charts are minimalist, no baroque graphs, just numbers and line plots. Now the reality. Listmonk lacks features you expect from a commercial product. There is no A/B testing for subject lines. You send a campaign, you cannot test two variants simultaneously. There is no automation workflow. You cannot build an email series triggered by subscriber actions. No drip campaigns, no behavioral triggers. You write the logic yourself using the API and a cron job. This is work. The template editor is a text area. No preview while editing. You must save and view the campaign preview. The CSS is inline. You must inline it yourself or use a tool. Listmonk does not inline CSS automatically. There is no built-in support for transactional emails. Password reset emails, order confirmations, those remain separate systems. Listmonk is for bulk campaigns only. Spam testing is absent. No integration with tools like Mailtester. You send a test email, you judge the deliverability yourself. Support comes from the community. The GitHub issues page is active. The maintainer responds, but there is no phone number, no live chat, no SLA. Security is your responsibility. You must secure the PostgreSQL connection. You must keep the Go binary updated. You must manage TLS certificates. Listmonk runs on HTTP by default. You wrap it behind a reverse proxy, Nginx or Caddy. You add SSL. You block unused ports. The application is small. The attack surface is small. Listmonk does not offer a hosted version. You can use third-party platforms that deploy it, but the official repository gives you the source code. No proprietary additions. No tracking pixels from the vendor. The binary is 11 megabytes. The Docker image is 35 megabytes. You can run it on a $2 VPS, a single core 1 gigabyte of RAM. PostgreSQL runs on the same machine. The performance is adequate for tens of thousands of subscribers. Beyond that, you scale vertically. More RAM, faster disk, or you separate the database onto its own server. Mailchimp's free tier caps at 500 subscribers and 2,500 emails per month. Listmonk has no caps. Your only limit is your SMTP provider and your server. 2,500 emails via SendGrid cost 12 cents. Mailchimp charges nothing for that tier but collects your data. Every email sent through a commercial provider trains their algorithms. Your subscriber list becomes their training set. Listmonk keeps everything local. If you need a simple broadcast email tool, if you understand SQL, if you want to avoid monthly subscription fees, Listmonk is the correct choice if you need automation, if you need a visual editor, if you need phone support, then pay for Mailchimp. Listmonk's value is clarity. Go code, PostgreSQL queries, Docker Compose, no abstraction layers, no mystery. You see exactly what happens when you click send. Go to the repository, give it a star. Subscribe to this channel, the next tool will be faster.